Welcome back to Sailing Wicked. In the last episode, we replaced our rotted engine mounts, and now we're ready to get Wicked back into the water and take her out for a test motor. By the way, this is the first video that we are editing at Anchor. We bought an outboard here in California, so now we have to make a crate for the outboard to ship it over to St. Thomas. Traveling back and forth between St. Thomas and LAX has been exhausting. 2-week stints every 2 months or so to get Wicked into shape for liveaboard and coastal cruising was no easy feat. It may seem silly to buy and make everything for Wicked in California and then ship it over to St. Thomas, but it's the one place where we have the time and a stable address to receive all of our orders. Also, buying almost anything in St. Thomas is at least 3 times the cost. We finally bit the bullet and bought ourselves an inflatable high-fuel dinghy. We've taken 2 years to make this decision, as it's quite a pricey purchase, but it'll last us for seasons to come.
That would take up way more space than this.
We are ready to make our journey across the United States. Yes, that's a dinghy on our roof rack, and yes, that's a trailer full of stuff. Where it's going, I don't know. Now, before we get started in St. Thomas, we had some things we needed to take care of in South Florida. We stopped over at Sailorman to look for a few spin lock clutches we needed to add to our running rigging. At $150 versus $400 brand new was a good enough savings to take advantage of. Now, it was time to ship all of our boat projects, what's left of our possessions, and dinghy to St. Thomas, USVI. We used tropical shipping and were able to drop off in their port in West Palm Beach. It was a really simple process to drop off and cost about $150 to ship a pallet 3 feet high. Pickup was just as simple. I'll leave a link in the description of how we picked up our shipments from tropical shipping in St. Thomas. peeling back the layers. Look at that. I feel it. There it is. Our thingy. I feel 340, 360. I don't know. But now we're just waiting for Maddie to get back with the motor. We unboxed and set up the dinghy in Crum Bay, which is on the south side of St. Thomas, close to the airport. The plan was to take the dinghy from Crum Bay all the way across the south side of St. Thomas to Benner Bay, where Wicked is located. Matt drew the short stick, so he had to take it. Just kidding, I wouldn't have done it. And we're gonna leave you here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure Matt gets back to Wicked safe and sound for me, please. And like and subscribe if you liked this video. And hit that notification bell so you know when we post another video. Bye.